Well, hi everyone, this is Paul Spitali. I'm here at SHOT Show 2020, here with the new Colt Python. Colt Python, legendary revolver in our industry, 357 Magnum from Colts. We've done some things to bring it back. We wanted to bring it back with the ventilated rib barrel, same kind of structure on the grip. In fact, these grips will fit, older grips if you have them will fit on this frame, no problem. And we wanted to bring it back, but with today's shooter in mind. So one of the things that we did was we improved upon the action. We took out about 12 parts out of the action, really smoothed it out. Variation between cylinder to cylinder is virtually, you don't have any very little variation between cylinders on these Pythons. Also on the draw stroke, in the past there was a bit of a step at the end of the draw cycle. These ones roll right to the rear, smooth, with a non-stacking trigger. Things that we changed on the profile of the barrel itself, we recessed the crown. That's not a sleeve, it's a one-piece barrel. It's a solid bar stock barrel. Also, like we did on the Cobra, simple Allen key, you can change it out if you want to put a night sight, fiber optic, brass bead, all available for your consumers. On the top of the gun, we actually added material. This is where the strength of the revolver comes from. This window, we added about 30% more surface area to the top of the strap. Makes the gun very strong. And the grip, even down to the grip, we changed the profile. We took out that bright edge that was on the old Pythons and smoothed it out. Makes it for easier to get rounds out of the chamber, but also easier for speed reloading. And it's more comfortable to shoot. All told, the new Colt Python, 4 1/4 inch and a 6 inch available. And these are going to be at your Colt stocking dealers, $14.99 MSRP.